What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 2023 Dodge Challenger. I'm going to show you everything about it, and I can actually tell you everything about this car because I actually owned one. So let's go take a look at the Challenger. You guys can see, very beautiful car, beautiful color. This car actually looks like a muscle car. It's not like the Mustang or the Camaro that took the design and made it kind of sporty. This car actually looks like a muscle car. I mean, just look at it. Challenger comes with this muscle car era inspired grille with the LED halos and the amber halos on the inside. Up to the bottom, these yellow stripes over here, they call them the banana peels. You're supposed to remove that when you buy a Challenger. A lot of people keep them on because they think it looks good. I myself would remove them, but unfortunately this car still has them. You get 20-inch wheels all around, 245, 45, 20s, front and back. This specific model does not have a sunroof, but that is an option if you buy a Challenger. These mirrors also look very nice and old school. Coming out to the back, you have the fuel cap that says fuel. You have this matte black spoiler in the back. And right in the trunk over here, it says Dodge. You have retro style tail lights, very similar to the ones in the old school Challenger. You also get dual exhaust pipes. And you get a very spacious trunk. Let's take a look under the hood, shall we? Under the hood of the Challenger, you have a 3.6 liter V6 engine, making 303 horsepower, 268 foot-pounds of torque. All right, let's start off the Challenger. Foot on the brake, press the button. One thing I love about the Challenger is that it's very spacious inside. It combines retro styling with very modern technology. All the center console and all the dash is focused onto the driver. You have two cup holders over here. You have your mute, screen off, sport button, volume, and tune button. Your AC controls. Nicely designed AC vents. You also have two paddle shifters. Here's your steering wheel controls to control the center screen over here in the dash. The steering wheel is very nice and sporty. You have your light control switch, your dimmers, and your trunk release button. These are your window switches, memory seats, garage door buttons, big cup holders in each doors. Take a look at the infotainment system. As you can see right over here, this system has integrated navigation. You have your media controls over here, so you can put the radio in AM or FM. You have satellite radio, or you can also have Bluetooth or USB 1 and 2 if you want to connect your phone. You have your climate controls over here. Seat controls. This car has heated seats and vented seats. Mirror dimmer. And right over here on the apps menu, you have all the apps installed on the vehicle, and you can also install your own apps. You get Wi-Fi hotspot. This is where you go if you want to connect your phone and your settings. Have a very nice storage space over here, and you also have a Challenger badge right there on the AC vents. Right between the driver's seats, you also have more storage space. You have USB 1 and 2 and a DC port, 12 volts in there. Right over here, you have this badge that says Dodge Brothers, designed in Detroit. Check out the back seats. Not enough space for an adult in the back. But I do have to say the seats in the Dodge Challenger are very, very comfortable. You also get Alpine speakers in the Dodge. Right in the center, let me show you the options right here on the screen. You have your coolant temp, transmission temp, oil pressure, oil life, battery voltage, intake air temperature, engine torque, and engine power. This car has reached its top speed of 136 miles an hour. And here you can select whether you want miles per hour or kilometers per hour. Right here you have your seat controls if you want to raise or lower your seats. Out of all the major muscle cars in America, this one is my favorite. And I say it proudly. I mean, look at it. It looks amazing. The color even complements the car even more. And I love it. So that's my review on the Dodge Challenger, guys. I recommend this car to anyone. It's a very beautiful car, and there's also variations of it. There's the Dodge Challenger SXT, then you have the Challenger GT, which is this one. You have the Scat Pack, the Hellcat. You also have the Hellcat Red Eye, the Demon 170. There's many different types of Challengers for all different prices. This one you can pick up for about $30,000 to $35,000, and it's a very, very nice car. I highly recommend it. Alright guys, so right now we're gonna go for a drive in the Challenger. You want to put it in sport mode. Let's go. I'll put the windows up so you can hear me better. Challenger, although it drives very nice, it's not as loud as the Mustang. The Mustang 4-cylinder turbo sounds a lot better than the Challenger, but I like the way the Challenger drives better. Turn around here. Very, very fun car. Very fun car. You can do a lot of fun things with the Challenger. Alright guys, so that's it for the Challenger. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the like button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.